Hi, welcome to my new video on how to delete installed fonts from your computer. Let's get started. In the search box, enter fonts and select the Control Panel folder. Here, you'll see the list of installed fonts. Choose the font you want to uninstall and delete. Before doing that, you may want to check the selected fonts. Open any typing application. Here, I am using Microsoft Word. Check the available fonts. Now, select the font, right-click, and then click Delete. That's it, you're finished. To verify, check the Word application again to see if the fonts have been deleted. Thank you so much for watching my video.